Us- For everyone, please enjoy and please join. I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift. The baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Hallelujah. Well, maybe there's a God above, but all I ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody who outdrew ya. Oh no, it's not a cry that you hear at night. It's not someone who's seen the light. It's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Hallelujah.